This is Trevor from Arcade Time Machine, demonstrating on this older electromechanical the oxidization of these leaf switches. There's quite a few here, and this button is not making contact, or at least it's not activating any of the flippers, even though these are all depressed in. You can push it to get it to work. But that's a good candidate for some cleaning. And see, you got a little puff of smoke. A risk of reducing the contact size on these is that you'll start getting some sparks, welding sparks that could even weld some of these leaf switches together if you don't deal with it quickly. You start to see that. And it's also an indicator of oxidization across a lot of the leaf switches. You can see there's hundreds of them just down here. More up here, more on the back. Got leaf switches everywhere. This one's at least 50 years old.